Unlock the meaning of brow bar, an engaging guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video where we're going to explore the interesting phrase, brow bar. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about this modern term, this video will help you understand not just its meaning, but also its usage in everyday English. So, let's dive in and decode the phrase, brow bar, together. The phrase, brow bar, is a compound noun. It consists of two words, brow, which refers to the eyebrows, and bar, which in this context, means a specialized service station. So, a brow bar is a beauty salon or a section within a salon that specializes in eyebrow grooming services. These services may include shaping, tinting, and waxing of eyebrows. Brow bars have gained popularity over the last few years. This rise is linked to the growing trend and awareness of personal grooming and eyebrow styling. As eyebrows play a significant role in facial aesthetics, the demand for professional eyebrow grooming services has surged, leading to the proliferation of brow bars in malls, beauty salons, and as standalone establishments. Now let's see how to use brow bar in sentences. 1. Making plans. I have an appointment at the brow bar this weekend to get my eyebrows shaped. 2. Giving recommendations. If you're looking for a good place for eyebrow grooming, there's an excellent brow bar on Main Street. 3. Describing services. The brow bar offers a variety of services, including threading and tinting. I hope this video has helped you understand the term, brow bar, and how it's used in everyday English. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like brow bar reflect current trends and lifestyles. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to visit a brow bar to experience it firsthand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.